another video on the GoPro right now. I'm about to make a little GoPro video for you guys. But we are in an F80, as you guys can see. We're in the homie's F80 M3, the homie David. David picked this thing up about 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago. If you guys haven't watched that video, go watch it right now. But he picked up this F80, and guys, as you guys see by the title and thumbnail, it's already broken. David broke it, bro. I'm kidding. I don't know if he broke it, but something did break on the car. The car's actually been in the shop for the past like week and a half. Oh shoot, look at it. It's a G80 M3. What the heck? You don't really see M3s, especially brand new G80s in this city, so that's pretty crazy. Not even F80s. I feel like David might be one of the only ones out here. But anyways, we're in his F80 right now. Like I said, it did break on him about a week of owning it, which sucks. Oh my god, look at that dog, bro. Emily would go crazy right now. What's up, buddy? Broke on him about a weekend of having it, which sucks, bro. That's like the worst thing that could happen. But what happened was, I think he said that a bolt got stuck in the radiator fan or something, and it was spinning like this. It cracked the fan, but it also punctured a hole in the radiator, I believe. So it was leaking coolant. So the car was kind of overheating, and it was set low coolant oil, and when David checked it, the coolant was empty. So that's not good, bro. You can't drive a car with no coolant unless you want this engine to go bye-bye. So I believe he fixed the radiator, he fixed the coolant leaking issue, but the fan is still cracked, I believe. But he has to fix the fan still, so the car's still not 100%. So he told me to take care of it. He's letting me do this video for you guys. So the car won't overheat anymore, but the fan is a little weird, he says, since it has like a cracked blade on the fan. But shout out to the homie David for letting me whip the F80 today. I also brought my camera today because I'm gonna take some photos of his car, so he has content to post. So go to his Instagram right now, go like his F80 post. This car is beautiful, bro. It's like that Austin yellow. It's a pretty sick color, I like it. I wasn't the biggest fan of this color when I would see it on cars, but in person, it actually looks really, really good. Right now I'm about to get the car washed and just make some content for you guys. I know you guys love F80s. I know you guys want me to get one. So it's kind of like a little bit of an experiment. If this video does good, maybe I'll get an F80. So everyone smash the like button for me if you guys really want me to get an F80. This is like one of my favorite cars, bro. Like, you guys know I had the E92, I had an E36, I had an E46. This is like the next one, bro. Like, I have to get an F80. I love BMWs, I love M3s. I'll always be like an M3 Beamer boy at heart. Yes, I have a GTR now, I got the Z. But you guys know BMWs are like my favorite. A GTR has just always been my dream car. But anyways, let's get this video started. I'm about to get the F80 washed. This shit is dirty, look at it. And then make a little point of view drive for you guys, just to let you guys know my thoughts. I've never really driven an F80 around like for a while. I'm excited, bro. All right, if you guys remember the first video, this is David's beautiful F80 M3. Like I said, it's Austin yellow. Has some Vorsteiner wheels, which he still wants to sell. So if anybody wants these Vorsteiner wheels, hit them up. They're in really good condition. They look sick, bro, with the red cap. Has the carbon fiber diffuser. I don't know what exhaust he has on it, but it's pretty loud, bro. It's not that loud, but it's like a nice tone. Carbon fiber wing. Has limited edition bird shit on it. Carbon fiber roof, of course. You had to get the carbon fiber roof. These little things, not a lip yet, but he has these little carbon fiber, I don't know what they're called, but he needs to get the carbon fiber lip still. And it has a GTS hood, which is my favorite hood you can get on an F80. Looks clean, bro, with the little vent. It's like the CS hood. And I think that's it. The car might have intakes on it, he thinks, I don't know. But overall, it's a pretty sick F80. I love the color. But yeah, let's get it washed. All clean, look at that. Super clean. Not bad for like a $6 car wash. Way better. Look, no more bird poop. I don't know where we're gonna go. I want to find a cool place to take some photos of his car, but it's super freaking sunny right now. But yeah, you guys can hear it. It's not that loud. You can hear it. Oh shit! Well, it's just spinning in third gear. I was literally getting sideways at like 50 miles per hour. Car's not overheating, it's still cool. I wish it was louder. I had like, I know a lot of people don't like burbles, but just a little bit of burbles would be nice. Some nice little pops like that. It's not bad, bro. For a stock car, these are pretty fast. I think this car has launch control. I don't know how you do it. No, I don't know. I don't want to break his car. It's not slow at all. That's the only thing I didn't like about the E92, guys. The E92 sounds better than this car. It sounds 100 times better than this car, but F80 is a lot faster, bro. The E92 is super slow. I'm gonna try to take a couple photos right here. All right, if you guys haven't watched the last video, I talked about my camera setup and I showed you guys a little bit behind the scenes of the photo shoot. I'm gonna shoot some photos right here. It might be a little too sunny, but we'll see what we can do. I like shooting it in the sunset or like in the shade. I hate the sun.
Nice color.
Thank you. Dude, everybody. Guys, this is the second, third compliment I've got driving this car already, saying nice color. Everyone likes the color, bro. 2 people at the car wash and now this person. All right, not too bad for being super sunny outside. I'll throw the photos edited on the screen right here. All right, I don't know where we're gonna go now, but maybe do a little cool U-turn right here. Oh my God, bro. It's spinning in 4th gear. Like how? That's why these cars are so fun, dude. Like they have so much torque. And honestly, if you don't know how to drive the car, you can easily crash this car, bro. It has a lot of torque. Oh man, if I had my own F80, bro, I swear guys, like this is why I want an F80. GTR is fun, super fun. It's super fast, but it's only fun in a straight line. You can't drift it, you can't whip corners, you can't have fun like that. If I had an F80, I would drift every single corner, make a bunch of drifting content for Instagram, for YouTube. Like it would be sick. I know I'd make some really sick content. Oh, it's so fun, bro. David, I'll pitch in for the new tires, I promise. Should have just threw on my drift wheels on here and just let me burn out on my own tires. I did that with Hugo's car too. I put my drift spares on Hugo's car and then I got to drift his car around and just use up my own tires in his car. I should do that for David too. Should I try to do donuts? Do you think David will be mad at me? I don't think he'll be mad. You won't be mad, right, David? The car's doing super good though. Look, it's not overheating. It's actually staying really cool. And I don't hear any weird noises. So honestly, I feel like just the radiator replacement fixed the cooling issue. And then the fan with the missing blade or the broken blade, I don't think it's doing much, honestly. I think David's fine, honestly. I'm about to really test it out right now. I don't think David will be mad at me for doing some donuts. Looks like this big old trailer's in the way. I want to do it, but guys, it's not my car. I really don't want to hit anything. Oh, there's a truck over here too. Well, maybe we won't be able to do some donuts, unfortunately. We might be able to do it over here. It's just super tight, but we'll do it real quick and then we'll get out of here because I'm not trying to get in trouble by cops. Automatically I could tell it's so easy to drive, just like my E92 was. My E92 was so easy to control, and everybody told me the F80s are the exact same way. They're so easy to drift, and honestly that felt so easy, bro. I literally only spun it around like one time, but again, if this is my own car and my own tires, I would do it a lot more. Now I really want an F80, bro. Oh my god. I still want to take Emily on a ride in a car that can do donuts. Maybe I'll give her a reaction in this car. I'll see if David wants to let me use it one more time after this. Oh, there's a cop. Hello, officer. I was talking about some other donuts, not drifting donuts. Don't mind me. I was gonna take pictures in this tunnel, but yeah, I don't want to take pictures next to the cop. I'm kind of scared. You guys want me to get an F80? Like I said, comment down below. Should I get an F80? Let's see how many comments we could get. Also comment down below, what color F80 should I get if I get one? If you guys enjoyed this video, please like the video. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button. All right, this is like the only spot I could find with some shade. Look, it barely made it in some shade. Take a couple more photos and then we should be good with the pics. All right, again, let me know how those photos came out, guys. I think I'm gonna end the video, honestly. I don't want to push the car too much. I just wanted to make a cool little video for you guys. I'm gonna go put some gas in this car because his car is empty, bro. 20 miles to E. Damn, David, I washed your car. I'm putting gas in it. It's practically my car now, bro. I'm gonna have to trade you the GTR. That's gonna end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This car is so much fun, bro. Like, I need to get one. I honestly need to get one. I know that the content will go up. I know that the views will probably go up because I know you guys really want me to get an F80. A lot of people comment on it even to this day. And you guys know, before I got my GTR, it was either between an F80 or the GTR that I got. I even had an F80 in mind. It was so sick. It was red on red interior. Super sick, bro. You guys know I love red. Red paint with red guts, bro. Like, it was a lot of red, honestly, but it looks sick. I got the GTR, obviously. I don't regret it. I love the GTR, bro. It's my dream car. It was always my goal to get a GTR, and I made that goal happen by my birthday when I made that goal. So that was super sick. I love the GTR, but I really want an F80 now, guys. They're just so much fun, and I know I can make a lot of content with it. And you guys see, it's just so fun to drift and drive around. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, comment down below what F80 color should I get, and if I should even get one. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Also, if you guys can, go subscribe to my second channel. It's with me and Emily in it. Nick and Emily. It's the first link down below. I started a new channel just to do some more daily lifestyle stuff. So if you guys want to see some more Finding Nick content, it's just extra footage, you guys. For those of you that want more Finding Nick content, there you go. If I'm not posting videos on this channel, there's probably gonna be a new video on that channel. So go watch the new video, go subscribe to that channel. I appreciate all the love and support on all the channels, all the Instagrams, everything. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me